Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hi friends, today we have this inverter welding machine MMA 250S, and you can see once we connect to the power supply, the temperature light and OC, the same thing, it's on. And as I told you my previous videos, if this thing happen, then first we have to check with this lead. I show you here how we can check and identify the fault. Let's open the machine and see what's inside. Here I set the multimeter to diode position, and here I touch the probe. You can see this is showing us the short circuit. It's mean one of the, I already opened the machine, one of the following diode is damaged, and by the visual inspection you can see it's look fine. And if I look on the other side, you can see here the bottom plate, and you can see here is some carbon. At this point you can see here is little dark. I just by only removing this diode, and I show you is this faulty or no. Let's open that. Because I'm sure this one is damaged, that's why you can see this is the damaged one. It's already broke, and the carbon is here. What you need to just do, just replace this diode. This number is D9202, and your machine will be fine. I just replaced this one, and I show you how does it work. Here you can see I replaced the diode. It is little bit down, but it's look okay. Now I turn on the machine. Now you just can see our machine is just fine. This is very quick way if you know where the fault is exactly. And other method, if you don't know which diode is damaged, I'll link that another video in the comment section. So I hope you guys like my videos, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Thank you.